Hey kids, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. See, in book number 1, on page number 54. Yes, we will write the date first, and the date is 9th June 21, right? My house. Say the names of the things you see in the house. Now you can see a picture of a house. It's beautiful, right? Now, how many rooms this house has? You can see 4 rooms. Which room is this? Bedroom, because we can see a bed in this room. Which room is this? Kitchen. You can see gas burner, cylinder, fridge, mixie. Which room is this? Bathroom. Yes, you can see taps, wash basin, commode, right? Now, which room is this? Drawing room. You can see sofas are there and TV is also there. So, we keep all these things in drawing room. Now, there is a small exercise on the next page for us. See, cross the thing that does not belong to the room. You have to see the picture of rooms, right? And cross the thing which doesn't belong to that particular room. So it's a bedroom, right? So you can see a pillow in the bedroom, and you can see a table lamp is also there. Can we keep cooker in the bedroom? No. So we will cross this. And which room is this? Drawing room. So, can we keep fridge in the drawing room? No. So, we will cross this. See, we keep flower vase, right? We keep sofa in the drawing room. Now, which room is this? Kitchen, right? So, we keep pillow in the kitchen, right? No. So, we will cross this. We keep knife, spoons, and this pan also in the kitchen. What is it? Dining room. So we keep fruit basket, jug on the dining table, right? But we don't keep a bucket on the dining table, right? So we will cross this. Done? Now please turn the page. Now this one is your homework. You have to do this yourself. And again this one is your homework, right? So complete these 2 pages yourself. I am showing you one example. Circle the thing that belongs to the room. Which room is this? Washroom. We can see a commode in the washroom. So we will circle this. Now what is it? Dining table. So we keep a jug on the dining table. So we will circle the jug. We keep jug on the dining table, right? Now what is it? Drawing room. So we keep sofa in the drawing room. It's a bedroom. We keep bed in the bedroom, right? Now see on the next page. Match the things to the rooms they belong to. Now what is it? A pen. Where can you see a pen? We keep a pen in the kitchen. So we will match it with that. What is it? A sofa. So we will match it with the drawing room. It's a bucket and a mug. So we will match it with the bathroom. Bed will go to the bedroom, right? Done? So please kids, complete your pages in this way. See you kids. Bye bye. Have a nice day and take care.
Good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. Book number 2, page number 34. Today's our exercise is join the broken path and trace the numbers to take all the butterflies to the flower. Today we will complete this exercise. Okay? Yes. Come on, start with me. trace 1 and join this path, trace 2 and again join, okay, then trace 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and join this part to the flower. All the 9 butterfly has come to the flower. Now come on, we will start to solve the exercise of page number 35. Count and circle the correct number. Okay. Count and write with me. How many cakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will circle on 8. The next candles are there. Okay. Let's count with me. How many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So circle on 6. Then balloons. How many balloons are there? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So circle on 9. Now sandwiches. How many sandwiches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we will circle on 5. Now count the goggles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So circle on 7. Now gift box, right? How many gift boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So circle on 3. Write the missing numbers. We know the very well numbers, right? Come on, start to write. 1 after 2, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, and 8 after 9. Okay, bye bye. In the same book, page number 36. Count the objects and write the number. Then draw circles to match the number. Okay, so we have to count the object and write here number and draw the circles. Okay, so start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, so write over here 8 and draw 8 circle. Count and draw. See like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 roses. Okay. So write here 9 and draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now in the third box, ice cream cones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. So write here 6 and draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so write 7 and draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in the last box, balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5 and draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See kids on page number 37. Read the number and trace the beads to match them. Then color the beads. Okay, this is number 6. So we have to trace 6 beads and count and color it. Okay. Similarly, all the numbers are given here. So you have to count, trace and color. This is your homework. Thank you. Bye bye.